Hey, this is a camera I got off of. I got this camera for it's right here hooked onto my TV. Anyway, I don't know what the deal with the TV. I can't get the TV turned back on, but it's a Yi camera. I got it off of Amazon. I decided to use um, the webcam support, and I was getting support and asked go contact us. I'm getting this error. Don't know what if it's coming home for it. And then I tried to download for PC Mac. Um, uh, I don't see the PC stuff here anymore, but it says for download from the Mac. It's in the Mac store. I don't know if it's in the app. It may be in the PC store. But if I go to firmware apps, yeah, home app for the and the camera I have is an old camera. It's it looks like this one here, but it's the Y Home Camera 2, but it's not that one. But this is for the firmware, I guess. And it does look like the firmware downloads fine. Um, then I was trying to go here and get support. Download for PC, Mac. It doesn't have PC here. I tried downloading earlier for the PC. It did not. You can get it on Google Play or App Store, but I did my phone was missing, so I couldn't access the app. So I've been having problems right now. My problem is I go to PayPal, I log into my PayPal, and I choose to log into PayPal, and I go into activity. These are all my bills, unfortunately. Um, but I have Cami Vision payment for $15.99 and Cami Vision for $11.99. See the $11.99 I understand, or the 15 maybe I got charged twice. I don't know. I'm looking for the other Cami Vision. Maybe they just didn't charge me. I'm looking for the Cami Vision from the previous month. I think they charged my other account. No, here it is. This is March 16th, so that's $15.99. So I'm trying to find out. And then there's another March 20th, $11.99. And I don't know why I'm getting charged for two payments of Cami Vision. Cami Vision is the stuff what's the Yi the Yi camera. And I've been trying to contact Yi about it or the camera support. Um, I sent this is the I sent an email to him saying request assistance regarding missing product access. Email for this invoice and that invoice. It's on PayPal with the transaction, and um, it was a Yi home pump camera. This is my address. I'm Preston Media, so if I'm interested. Um, on 2020 on CES 2025 and 2026. Um, I contacted them again. Thank you regarding. They said email address you. They couldn't find my email address, and they can't click my cloud support. Um, I don't know what my current problem is. Um, if I go into orders and search orders for um, Yi, I do have a Wii I have a Wii Home wireless IP surveillance system, night vision, indoor security nursery, pet control, iOS, Android app, cloud source available black. And then Yi test mount for Y action camera GoPro Hero. I did that for a different camera, but this is the camera that they no longer sell this because it's the version now. They do have other ones. If you go to I I was having problems with somebody. I thought somebody was in my apartment stealing stuff, so I needed the stuff to be surveillance. Now they do have the what I liked about the E was it was priced real good. This is the same version, or different version, but the same. This is three two 3 megapixel camera for $24. If you're gonna do something really cheap, this is something you could do. You could also do this one. They're both $24. Anyway, um, this is the this is the Amazon link if you want to buy the camera. But right now I'm having problems because the package that I did get, um, they actually have an indoor version, a narrow one. This it goes with the app's pretty cool. Um, and the link for that is that you just go to this link and you can give me Mac money back to my Spaces box. It's my link for my uh, Amazon affiliate. Also, so that's my problem right now. Um, I like their product. They do have the apps where you can use. If you scan this, you can go to their app on the App Store, on App Store and on the Apple, and then Google Play. Um, there's the home camera, the Wii 2, the wide dome, the wide camera, the outdoor camera, the Cami outdoor security camera, Cami wire-free outdoor camera, Cami indoor camera. Anyway, I don't know if they're renaming themselves Cami or not. And then they do have mirrorless cameras, looks like, and then they do have action cameras. And I've read good things about their action cameras. They're actually pretty nice. Supposedly, I've read they have 4K and some other things. And then they actually have action. They have dash cameras. And these are smart dash cameras. So if you're they looks in front and looks in the back, so the driver can see this. So you can see if you're having your if you get in a car accident or something. It supports that type of situation. So they have home security dash cameras, best business solutions, and anyway, I was trying to get. You can also get these are firmware downloads, business, smart retail and stuff. But the thing I was trying to get was support. Contact us. And I'm getting when I clicked on contact us, I'm getting a 404 error. And if I click shop now, looks like the store is not currently available. Explore the store free trial, and it looks like it's powered by Shopify. Anyway, that's interesting. And it looks like yitechnology. Anyway, I'm gonna upload this to my YouTube channel on spacesbox.com. Um, I I'm using this camera right now because um, I I did possibly collect 2 charges on it. I don't know if I somehow got double charged or if it's just somebody else is using my scripts on some other product or service. But I was doing it because sometimes I thought somebody was in my apartment stealing stuff, and I just wanted to double check things. There are these links on the screens. One is for um, PayPal donation. One is for um, my donation request. One is for the January 6th stuff I wrote, and there's also some um, for Patreon membership. This is Who Be stuff with my 2 cameras. Got one there. You see me in the back, then the front, then my X. This is my X profile. This is my phone thing. There's my charities. I hope you support charities. I hope you support. Check that out. And there's different charities there you can support. There's my business card from going to CS. This is my new business card. I did have an older one, and I did say at Friendship Shelter. I'm in their sports housing. Also, I'm working with. Um, I did say at Salvation Army also. This is my Patreon membership. This is my PayPal donation. This is current Spaces box front page. This is my different links. Sponsorship ideas. This is my main page. Um, anyway, I appreciate you watching. Sorry for wasting your time. This has been the problem. I've been trying to get sports through them um, because unfortunately I didn't have a phone. Recently, I did purchase an iPhone. This is an iPhone 12 iMax Pro Max. I don't know. I took a SoFi loan for $350. I did have another phone. I got an Obama phone that somehow walked out of my apartment, or somehow, and then my iPhone 15 walked out of my apartment. I'm trying to locate both those phones, but that's why I got these action cameras, and I don't know why I'm having problems um, trying to track down. Um, that's why I paid for this subscription because things were disappearing. I didn't know if it was my voices in my head or if it was something evil was doing or something else. But I didn't see any results on the cameras, but I did have this going for a while. I have two cameras. I have this camera here. This is my camera that I've had for a long time. It's Logitech, and I use it for sim racing. And then I have this brand new. I did go with the different brand. I'm not using the Yi camera. I'm using a um, um, anyway. It's a, 4K camera, but it mostly and it's up here. And I do have um, anyway. I appreciate everybody watching today, and please check out. I did find when I found my phone, I found some stuff from old CES. This is from CES a long, long time ago. Um, this is from CES back in 2016. Use the pop socket as you aid when you're holding your device and when the device is otherwise securely supported. Um, 2006 pop sockets, all rights reserved. Designed in Boulder, Colorado, USA. Made in China, patent 8560031. Pop me twice. Wash me, move me, love me. Pop stick it. It's a thing for your phone. I don't know if it can focus on that thing that small. And it's like this on back. I don't know if it does. Anyway, it's this little device here in back. You can pull it up. And it still has some issues. Anyway, hook on things. It says it's on, and I just bought a new case for this phone. This is actually uh, for cards, and it can it's magnetic. It's a new case for this phone here. I'm hoping this phone will last. I thought I had one phone again. I won a phone on this one thing for it's an iPhone Pro Max. Also, it's the around 16 or 17, but I'm still having problems trying to locate that phone. And then I did have an iPhone 15 for my brother that he when I graduated from college, I had an iPhone 10 that was damaged. He helped me. I helped him. I paid for that, and he paid for that. And then this one, he's actually paid most of it since I was disabled, low income, and not making enough money. He had the iPhone 15, and then I recently decided to give it back to him. I was gonna get an Obama phone, I guess, and I went to the to the social service office to get my SNAP card. And when I did that, I talked to a guy and asked him about a phone. He said he gave him my ID and said, "Give me your ID. I'll see if you can get it or not." And when I came back to get my ID, he gave me a phone. When he gave me the phone, I was surprised, but now I had the phone, and now that phone disappeared too. So I don't have a phone right now other than a landline. Um, I'm hoping things will get better. I still need to hook this phone up. I need to somehow get into Apple. I had a problem resetting my password with this with my other iPhone. So I need to figure that out and then do the update. And also the other problem is since this is an iPhone 12 versus a Pro Max other than a 17, I would have what rather have had or a iPhone um, Pro, 15. I don't know if you can take external storage. External storage is what I was using at CES 2026. I did lose my external storage that was on my um, yeah, at CES. Anyway, but I did. I'm hoping somebody locates it and or finds the videos and sends them to me on a Google Drive or somehow I get to them. Also, anyway, I appreciate it, guys. Have a great day. Um, don't know what's the story with the Yi Home um, e-products. I'm hoping they're not a business. I hope everything's going well with them. They seem like a really kind of cool company. Security cameras and different things, base stations and stuff. Home security, it looks like. I like the wide dome camera. That those ones you can point them around. It does have this media slot that I love that allows you to back up your stuff to a media slot like mine does. You can put a small SD in there, and that way you can back up your video. So if your cloud dies, you still have video. If you um, um, in home security, and also dash cameras and business solutions. Anyway, thank you for your help. Sorry for complaining, Yi. I'm sorry for complaining, Yama, about this. The Yi Yama app because right now I'm having problems because of I have two Camivision purchases for the last 2 months. I guess it's instead of costing me uh, $15 for each month, it'd be $32 now. It's now costing me 32 plus 12, so 24 plus 32, $54. Um, I only make 1,200 a month. 54 $20 extra dollars could make me have food, gas, or something else. I did have my car damaged on because of my post about January 6th. That's why that's up there. Also, anyway, anyway, sorry guys. Thank you for your time. Have a great day, guys. Bye.